Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham with MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Let's look at a pre-owned 2012 Yamaha 242 Limited S today. Let's do a little quick walkthrough on the 242 Limited S. As you can see, it's got the removable backrests in the seats, or allow you to lounge full extension of your legs. It's got an anchor locker ladder up in the bow. Cup holders are recessed down underneath. All the interior on this boat is in perfect condition. This boat's powered by twin Yamaha 1.8 liter high output engines. This has very low hours on it as well. Dual captain chairs, ample storage. This has the Bimini top. Give you a shade in the summer. This also has a new stereo system in it, just installed. This will conclude the 2012 Yamaha 242 Limited S. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Come by and take a look at our inventory. Let us show you around. Thanks.